What's this called?
Salted egg. Salted egg chicken.
This is gonna be my first impression. I think 9.5 out of 10. You want to try the salted egg one?
I could.
Yeah, go ahead. Try it.
Please be very honest, brutally honest with the reaction, okay?
Okay, 1 to 10. What's your rating?
10.
Okay. Perfect score. Perfect.
In today's video, I share with you a day in the life of a tourist in Singapore. If you're new here, my name is Kyle and you're watching Kyle Craves. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of my next uploads. I'm on a bus right now and what we're going to be doing is trying out the famous salted egg chicken right here in Singapore. I'm also going to be trying out the Mongolian one, and this is all happening at 3 meals a day. This video has been made possible by these guys, my very good friends. Beautiful guys and handsome gentleman right here.
Yes, I think yes.
I think you need to tap your card.
Alright.
I think you need to tap it. Travel tip to whoever is coming to Singapore for the first time and are planning on taking the public transport, especially the bus. If you're taking the bus, you need a transit card. I met some great friends who are here and we're going out to hang out together. So we had lunch as a group. We happen to be staying in the same place. So if you're watching this and you're from Singapore or you've been here before, please recommend a place or any kind of food you think a tourist could try or should try on their first visit. Simlim. So right now we are at a mall called Simlim or Lim Square, sometimes shortened to SLS. It's a large retail complex in Singapore that offers a wide variety of electronic goods and services. And we're basically here because 3 meals a day where we're eating at is located on this mall. So let's go check it out. Okay, 3 meals a day.
I just tell you to decide. You just sit down and then you cannot eat this food, you can tap on this food, then go in. If you don't like, you can go and buy the food and then go in. Yeah, I'm
both
okay.
food.
Yeah, I'm allowed the outside food.
So now we are 3 meals a day. This is where we're going to be having our main dish and little bites for our dessert. Pretty amazing. Aubergine, chicken, fish. This is the lady who came outside to approach us, and she's the very one on the poster right here. She is got great customer care. Today I'm here with my friends from Indonesia. We just met a couple of minutes ago and they brought me to this amazing restaurant. And these are my friends right here. Very beautiful guys and handsome gentleman right here. So they are all having actually the same dish. What's this called?
Salted egg.
Salt?
Salted egg. Salted egg chicken.
So you've had this before, right?
In Indonesia, not authentic enough.
Oh,
That's right. That's right.
imagine it.
This is gonna be my first impression.
How is it?
I think 9.5 out of 10.
Oh, amazing. I personally can't wait for my dish to come so I could try
You
it
want
out.
to try the salted egg one?
I could.
Yeah, go ahead. Try it. Try it. Okay, I think you should record your expression.
This is me trying out salted egg chicken with rice. It's my first time and I'm very excited.
Let's see ya. Please be very honest, brutally honest with the reaction, okay?
It was at this point that I got distracted.
I was distracted, guys.
Yeah, very good. Yeah. Next time I'll make sure I order this.
Okay, 1 to 10. Which you rate it?
10.
Okay. Perfect score.
So I will try the Mongolian chicken. Their food is really good. Wow.
How about that one? Is that good?
Very good. Very good. Give it a try.
May I? You sure?
Yeah.
May I try this one?
How was it? Very good.
It's 9.5. This is 10.
I'll definitely come back here next time.
Thank you. This is good. This is good. Like, there's sweet and sour.
Yeah, sweet and sour taste.
So it's too spicy. It's spicy. Like, my body is stuck out. Nice try.
How was it?
Yeah. Those are also good.
Okay, let's try this one.
Okay. Why don't you have any crackers?
We've just gotten done with our meals and they were incredibly amazing. I highly recommend you guys come and check out 3 meals a day right here in Singapore, Lim Square. I had a great time with my friends and I'm ready to head to the next point. Right now we want to take a picture with the famous chef right over there. This should be happening in a minute or two. Thank you.
Thank you for coming.
I'll be topping up my cat right here. I'm told I can top this up from the machine. So let's go give it a try. My friends are already topping up theirs. Yeah, they said it's possible. So I'm gonna try it out and see. So I'm in the transit system. I'm gonna be trying out Singapore's transit system for the first time. And I bought this SIM card and you can actually use it to pay for your transportation right here. It's pretty amazing. I'm impressed with how advanced these guys are. And wow.
Then you check again. How much is it? Oh, so what?
Did it work?
To, you know, setting the balance.
Oh, interesting. So you basically just place the card over there.
It's on my view. TikTok, my TikTok vlog.
Nice. If you already have your transit card with you, all you gotta do is come to this machine right here in any MRT station and you'll be able to top it up or either check your balance. So right now I'm gonna be topping up mine on the same machine right here, but I'm only testing it out. The good thing with mine, I bought a SIM card and it already had about some dollars I could use for my transit using the train or the bus.
If you want to use cash, then you put the cash.
Thank you. On this very machine, you could top up your transit card using various options. It could be cash Alternatively, they also have an option using bank cards. I see they got MasterCard, Visa, JCB, and this other one. I'm not really certain of this one, but at least you have a number of options for you to top up your transit card. That's how you top up your transit card, and with this you could take a bus, you could take a train, or you could take a boat. Transit system is really developed over here. I think Asian countries have one of the best transit systems. So we are going up about 2 or 3 floors just to exit. Right now we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed a day in the life of a tourist right here in Singapore. This part of the video is going to be ending right now, and if you want to watch more of what happened during my day in Singapore, make sure to leave your comments down below, share this video and give it a like, and I will be giving you more of the same content in the next video.